This is a good vodka-based drink. It's called a Dusty Dog. We're going to make this in a highball glass, filled with ice. Like I said, it's vodka-based, and we're going to use cream de cassis, some bitters, some lime juice. I'm going to fill it with ginger ale. Let's get started. We use our vodka. We're going to give it a 2-ounce pour. Take out our jigger here and use the 1-ounce side. It's 1 ounce. And that is 2 ounces. Now we just need a splash of the cream de cassis. That looks like a splash. Splash of our lime juice. You can buy it at a supermarket, this little handy gizmo. Feel free to squeeze fresh lime juice if you'd like. We're going to need a dash of bitters. And I splashed a little bit there. Splash is supposed to go in the glass, not on the bar. And then we're going to fill it with ginger ale. Like so. This seems like it's a good old school cocktail. Anytime you hear ginger ale, it's not very popular anymore, but look at that. Pretty basic, tasty, Dusty Dog. Woof.